first of all, notice here, there's nobody running PPC on this particular ad. So if you were going to run PPC, you'd instantly get to the top spot because Amazon would just put you there if you're going to run PPC. Interesting to know. Let's just click through them and I'll show you probably why you're ineligible to sell. Ha ha ha. Let's go here. No. Oh my God. What is going on? I need to find one with and one without. What about surely that? What about that? Oh, you're kidding me. So what I'm looking for, but having a terrible time trying to find for you, is I'm trying to find a bike that's got the buy box so I can show you the difference between non-buy box and having the buy box. But maybe I'm just in a shit ass thing. Balance bike. Let's try and find something much more. Let's try this one. Oh, bumhole. All right, I'll just have to show you. So the reason that you won't have the ability to run Amazon PPC ads is because I would suspect you don't have the buy box. Now the buy box is this thing over here, and strangely this product doesn't have the buy box either. See here it says one new from, see all buying options. So if we just click onto that, it means I can now add it to cart, which means I've now got the buy box. That's what that means. But because I haven't got the add to cart here, that means I don't have the buy box, and therefore I cannot run Amazon PPC. You can only run PPC when you've got the buy box. I think the percentage, and I don't know this for sure because I've never tested it, but my guess would be to have a buy box percentage over, say, 90%. And there's reasons why you can be the only person selling your product but still only have like 90 or 95% of the buy box. But that's for a different conversation. But that's the reason why. So if you do not have the buy box, you cannot run Amazon PPC. So the question is, how the hell do you get the buy box? Well, you have to make some sales. It's as simple as that. Amazon just wants to see you making some sales, looking after your customers and getting some reviews back. That's what Amazon wants to see. Once you start doing that, Amazon will give you the buy box and you can then start running PPC to your products. So in lieu of running Amazon PPC, remember you can run Google PPC, you can run Bing PPC, you can run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, whatever it is. You can run either of those, all of those, or any one of those, and you can still be running traffic, just not through Amazon's architecture. Hope that makes sense, Jenny. All right. Diane, so is the buy box the same as add to cart? Yes, kind of is. If it says add to cart here, I'll highlight it so you can see it rather than just waving my pointer around. If it says it there, add to cart, that means you've got the buy box. It means you can buy directly from the product detail page instead of having to click through to get the add to cart button. Okay, notice they're the only person selling that product and they still don't have the buy box. I hope that makes sense. I do have the buy box. I only have 13 stock. No, it won't because of your stock levels. If you do definitely have the buy box, check your buy box percentages. If you haven't got a high enough buy box percentage, Amazon won't give you the buy box. So check your buy box percentage. Deb Adams can't do PPC because she's in baby. Okay, that's good to know, Erica. So Erica says that one of her diamond clients can't do PPC because she's in a certain category and there are category restrictions for that. Let's just go check that out because that's something spankly new. Toys and baby, all of baby. Let's go and have a look see. Let's have a look for baby toys. Baby, oops, teether. Okay, so that's cool. Well, let's see if I can show you the buy box now then on this, since I've got something new up. God damn it. Amazon, give these people the buy box. Oh, screw you, Amazon. All right, I'm sick of showing you that. Thank you for that, Eric. That's cool. Thanks for that. All right, so it could be category specific as well. But in my experience, though, if your product is ineligible, not your category. If it says your product is ineligible, not your category, your product is ineligible, typically that means that you don't have the buy box or you don't have a sufficiently high buy box percentage. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.